Hello students. So today we shall discuss an interesting topic on water treatment. So we all very well know that water is considered as the elixir of all living beings. So before we go deep into the water treatment, so let me differentiate you the hard water from soft water. Hard water is the one which does not forms the lather easily with the soap solution. It is mainly because of the presence of the calcium and magnesium ions in hard water. Whereas the soft water, the production of lather will be easier. In the case of soft water, there will be no calcium and magnesium ions are there. So that is why the lather formation is easier in the case of soft water. Next, we shall see how to detect the presence of hardness causing ions in hard water. For example, if you use that Aerochrome black tea indicator, uh, when it is added to the hardness causing ions like Ca2 plus and Mg2 plus ions, it forms a wine red color complex with the hot water. So the formation of this wine red color clearly indicates the presence of the hardness causing ions in water. Next, we shall pass on to the removal of hardness causing ions in water. There are two methods are available for eliminating the hardness causing ions in water. First one, it's a very simple method. We normally we use this one at home. Just by boiling the water, what happens here is the bicarbonates of calcium and the magnesium salts, it gets converted to the its corresponding carbonates of calcium and magnesium. Since these bicarbonates are insoluble in water, these carbonates can be easily removed just by simple filtration. So thereby we are able to remove the hardness causing ions from water. The next next method is called as demineralization process. See here we use a simple instrument called a deionizer, which is used for the removal of the calcium and magnesium ions, that is anions as well as the cations present in hot water. See what we do here is initially we pass raw water into the cation exchanger column where all the cations gets absorbed by the cation exchange resins. The water coming out from the cation exchanger column is completely free from the cations. The water which is coming out from the cation exchanger column, now it is passed to the anion exchanger column where all the anions are also absorbed here by the anion exchange resin. So for the final water which is coming out here is only the deionized water. It is completely all the ions are removed here. So that's why we call this water as a deionized water. So this deionized water is entirely different from the soft water. In the case of soft water, only the calcium and magnesium ions are absent, whereas all other minerals like Na plus ions, K plus ions, and SO4 2 minus ions and Cl minus ions are all present. Whereas in deionized water, no ions are there. All the minerals are also getting eliminated here. Coming to the advantages and disadvantages of this demineralization process, first we'll see the merits of this demineralization process. It is even highly acidic or alkaline water can be easily treated by this method. And the water which is obtained by this process is containing a very low hardness. And coming to its demerits, the water containing the iron and the manganese cannot be treated by this method, since these ions like Fe2 plus and Mn2 plus ions, immediately reacts with the exchange anion as well as the cation exchange resins and forms a stable compound. So as a result, the output is reduced here. So on the cost wise also it is found to be highly expensive. And these are the books I have referred. So kindly go through these books and gain more knowledge on the water treatment process. And hope you would have understood the concept of the demineralization process and the merits and demerits of this process. Thank you so much for listening to my lecture. Thank you.